Imagine your money growing while you sleep. Meet Alex, a smart saver who deposits his coins in a cheerful bank, watching his savings bloom like a money tree over time. With each passing month, interest adds to his pile, making every coin count more. As a week's calendar pages turn, Alex sees his savings slowly surging, teaching him that patience brings rewards. Alex discovers compound interest. Savings earn interest on interest, making money grow faster when patience and smart choices combine indeed. Across town, Jamie faces a different challenge. Jamie borrows money for a fun gadget, but soon discovers that loans demand extra coins, interest, that add up if not repaid quickly. In a twist of fate, the borrowed money grows into a bigger total, creating a mild conflict that shows the cost of borrowing. Both Alex and Jamie learn valuable lessons. Saving builds wealth while borrowing requires responsibility. Their adventures highlight that interest is a tool, whether it makes your money work for you or calls for careful spending. Remember, interest can help your savings grow or inflate your loans if ignored. Embrace wise money habits and start saving smartly now. Begin your own journey and watch your money flourish.